Hi, it's Ian here at Improved Drawing. Now, in this video, I want to talk about pencil sketching, or to be more precise, loose pencil sketching. And this basically is a sketch of an urban scene, townscape, cityscape, street scene. And what you'll notice with this drawing is that I have turned it upside down. Now, basically, I'm drawing from a photographic reference. But obviously, this can't be done on site if you're drawing directly from the subject that you are drawing. So basically, this allows you to just emphasize the basic shapes very quickly and easily when you begin a drawing from a photograph or a visual reference. Once this is achieved and you've established those basic shapes very lightly with the pencil, you can then turn the page around and work in a more conventional manner. Now you'll notice with this drawing I'm using the side of the pencil, and I'm loosely holding the pencil halfway down because I don't really want to apply too much pressure at this stage. It's quite a light pencil sketch. What I'm hoping to do is add dark marks as we progress through the sketch. And obviously when sketching you want to work in a very freestyle, and you can obviously focus on creating more definite marks as you progress. So the basic issue here is to try and incorporate a variety of marks with your pencil, from light marks to fast marks to regular marks drawn very quickly, and just trying to get that sort of visual arrangement down on the paper as rapidly as possible, trying to create that sense of space and shape. So obviously this is a quick tutorial just demonstrating that technique, which really can be utilized in different settings on location and back at home, working from visual references or photographs that you may have taken. So it's worth trying out. Thanks for watching.